This is a warning to anybody that's considering buying the Nespresso Inissia. Do not buy this machine. This machine is pretty unreliable. This is supposed to be a replacement to my first Inissia that I bought on Amazon in December, in the middle of December. And as you can see, there's a shipping box. I am literally taking out of the box and hooking it up so I can try. But the first problem that I had with my first unit was that it'll turn itself on by itself. It will go into its cleaning cycle by itself sometimes, and sometimes you will press this button and this will be the only one turning on. The problem with this one now is that I try to use it. It'll do its thing for like 3 seconds and that's it. That amount of coffee has been because I've pressed that button like 7 or 8 times already. So this unit's worthless. You call their support and they're really nice, you know, they're really nice people, but it takes forever to get something done. So I would say I'm gonna try to call Nespresso, see if I can get my money back. Avoid at all costs.
If you see this, I can't lift the lever. It's got jammed. It's impossible. It will break.